Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I will give you guys update. If you watch my channel, then you know I use rosemary essential oil on my scalp and my hair, and it's been 1 year 4 months and my results were amazing. I'm so happy with my results. So this is how my scalp condition was 1 year 4 months ago. This is how my scalp condition was after using rosemary essential oil for 6 months. This is how my scalp condition was after using rosemary essential oil for a year, and this is how my scalp is after using rosemary essential oil for 1 year 4 months. It's been 16 months since I started using rosemary essential oil, and as you can see, my results are just amazing. I'm so happy with my results. I'm at a point where I stopped worrying about my hair fall, my hair. I just don't even think about it anymore. And I went through so much stress. My hair started falling in 2018, and oh my god, I tried so many things, so many things, and I'm so happy that rosemary essential oil worked for me. If you want to know how I use rosemary essential oil, here is the video. I did this video. It's a very detailed video. I shared how I use rosemary essential oil in that video. It will be the first link in the description. Please go check out that video. I shared how I use rosemary essential oil in shampoo, oils, rice water, everything in that video. It will be the first link. So please watch the video. And I added some more things. So I went to this doctor and they checked my scalp and they were so surprised. This was the same doctor who recommended me minoxidil. I saw amazing results with minoxidil, but minoxidil was irritating my scalp so much. And I also started getting white hair from it, which I'm still getting, even though I stopped using minoxidil like 2 years ago. I'm still getting, especially on these areas, both sides. So this was the same doctor who recommended me minoxidil, and they were really surprised to see my results. And they recommended me a few things like losing weight, making healthier choices, which I'm trying really hard. I finally quit soda. I struggled with it for a whole decade, and I'm so happy finally I quit soda. I was obsessed with soda. Oh my god, my obsession was so bad. I was drinking like 3-4 liters of soda every single day. I'm not even joking. I was obsessed with soda. I finally quit soda. I'm so happy. I'm sleeping so much better. After like a decade, I'm sleeping so much better. I'm so happy about that. So they told me to lose weight and make healthier choices now, which I'm trying really hard. So I thought I will share it with you guys. Maybe it will help somebody. So the first thing they recommended me was walnuts. So walnuts have biotin, which is really good for you, for your hair, for your nails, for your skin. Walnuts have biotin, vitamin E, protein, magnesium, vitamin B, vitamin B1, vitamin B6, vitamin B9. So they recommended me this. They said it will be really good for your hair, your nails, your skin. So I'm eating 2 walnuts every single day. I thought I will share it with you guys because these are really healthy. I mean, you can eat it as well, and it's good for your hair, your nails, and your skin. One more thing that my doctor recommended me was vitamins. I'm not going to tell you the name of these vitamins because you will have to go to your doctor. They will check everything and then they will recommend you vitamins that will be good for your body, for you. So these are really nice. This has vitamin A, D, E, C, B1, B2, B6, B12, biotin, niacin, iron, calcium. This has literally everything. So I'm taking 1 tablet a day. They also told me to drink 1 glass of milk every single day because it's good for your skin and your hair. I don't like milk. I don't like the taste of it. So what I do is I add half a teaspoon of coffee in it, and then it tastes better. The reason why I add only half a teaspoon because I struggled with caffeine for like a decade. Like I told you, I was obsessed with soda. I don't want to be obsessed with caffeine again. It was messing with my sleep so much. So I only add half a teaspoon and it's working really well for me. So I drink 1 glass of milk every day. They also told me to eat 1 fruit a day. I don't eat fruits. So I'm trying to eat fruits every day. So far I'm only eating one apple a day because I like apples, but I will try to eat more healthier foods. Now I'm trying my best to make healthier choices. They also recommended me to eat one small bowl of yogurt every day because yogurt is really good for your health. It's also very good for your belly. That's what the doctor said. So I'm eating one bowl of yogurt every day as well. It's just I'm trying to make healthier choices and I'm sharing it with you guys because these are really easy things to eat and drink. So you can do it as well, and these will be good for your skin and your hair, your nails. So I'm making small changes in my diet these days, and I'm trying to be more on the healthier side, which is very difficult, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm trying my best. So this is what I'm doing these days, just trying to be more healthy. Also, the shampoo that I'm using these days, because you guys ask me this question all the time, what kind of shampoo I'm using. The video that I was talking about, that I first link in the description, I shared everything in that video, but I'm sharing it here as well. This is the shampoo I'm using these days. This is from Burt's Bees. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. This is their baby shampoo. This is very gentle. If you have long hair, this don't have those moisturizing ingredients, like this don't have dimethicone, this don't have, I don't think this has glycerine. Yeah, there's no glycerine, so this don't have those moisturizing ingredients. This leave your hair stiff, if that's the right word to use here. I don't mind it because I have short hair, so it's not a problem for me. But if you have long hair, you might not like it, but you can use a conditioner after this. I'm not gonna lie, baby shampoos work really well. I have oily scalp and these work really well. So far, all the baby shampoos that I use, they work really well for me. And I will continue to buy baby shampoos. These are just so gentle. Even when they go in your eyes, this don't hurt, which I like. So I'm using baby shampoos now and they're working really well for me. My scalp used to get really itchy, especially when I used to sweat. I live in a very hot and humid country and my scalp's in my face, I sweat a lot. And it used to get really itchy. Since I started using baby shampoos, I don't have that itchy problem anymore. So I will definitely recommend you to give baby shampoo a try. If you use a lot of products in your hair, baby shampoo might not be able to remove all of that. You might need a stronger shampoo like which has SLS. But if you don't use a lot of products in your hair, baby shampoos work really well. I don't use anything, no heat, anything. So these work really well for me. So yeah, this was the update. I'm sorry I was all over the place. But yeah, this is how my hair were 1 year, 4 months ago. And this is how my hair are right now after using rosemary essential oil for 1 year, 4 months, 16 months. And I'm so happy with my results. I'm at a point where I don't stress about hair fall anymore. My hair started falling in 2018 and I took that stress for like 2.5 years, and oh my god, I can't even explain in words. When your hair are falling and you see them everywhere, it just messes with your soul. Seriously, I'm just so happy I don't have that hair fall problem anymore. Now when I shampoo, I barely see my hair on my hands, which I'm just so happy about. It used to be a mess. My hair used to be all over my hands, and I'm just so happy rosemary essential oil worked for me, and I will continue to update you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if this video was all over the place, but yeah, I'm trying to make healthier choices now. I'm trying to lose weight and adding more things in my diet that are good for your skin, your nails, and your hair. That's what I'm doing these days. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and make sure to check out that video where I explained everything how I use rosemary essential oil. It will be the first link in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.